Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to access any drives, apps, folders or files directly from Taskbar in any Windows computer. So then for more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and a Google search for one application named as Taskbar Plus. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now you'll see here download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on yes. So finally the installation has been completed. Now on your Taskbar you will see here 3 horizontal lines. Just click on it. I will see here all the drives, folders, even the various applications you will see here. So you can directly access from here. So you can see. So now just right mouse click on it and just click on pin to Taskbar. Now on the right side you will see here like computer, folders, files, favorites, apps, notes, recents. So you can interchange the position by clicking on this up or down arrow icon, and if you want to add some applications or any folders, right, you can just click on this plus button. Now you can select create link, create note or create Taskbar. So let me create a link here. Now just click on this option. Now what you want to add here, say I want to add an application here, and now under the link name just click on this browse. Now locate to the folder where you have installed the application. So let me select this Chrome just to give you an example. Click on open. Now click on this save new. Now you can close this window. Now let us reopen the Taskbar Plus. You can see here we have added a app shortcut, that is a Chrome. Now you can click on it and you can directly open the Chrome web browser. And if you click on these 3 horizontal lines, you can see the settings of this application. So you can see here light and dark mode, so link icons, so you can make it run all the time when you turn on your computer. Then you can just turn it on. I'll just turn it off right now, and you can change the link style alignment here and dark mode, how much dark mode you want, the percentage, as you can see here. So these are the options you'll gonna get inside this application settings. So by using this application named as Taskbar Plus, you can easily access any drives, apps, folder, files directly from Taskbar in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.